Thanks to staking my BNB tokens in the previous launch pool by Manta, I gained 1.83908837 Manta tokens, currently worth $4. Talk about passive income. With a current exchange rate of about 164, that is about 600 shillings. I want to welcome you to Binance Launchpool. Did you know you can get free tokens on Binance because of your existing crypto portfolio? Welcome to Binance Launchpool, a platform on Binance that provides support for promising crypto startups with the eventual goal of helping drive awareness and adoption for their respective projects by guiding them on how to best launch and advertise their tokens. What are the benefits of participating in a launch pool? 1. You get to acquire free tokens. By staking your assets, the amount of free tokens you receive is proportional to the number of assets you stake. The more you stake, the more tokens you earn. 2. Supporting new projects. Launch pools are often used to fundraise for new cryptocurrency projects. By participating in a launch pool, you can help support these projects and potentially benefit from their success. 3. Higher returns. For example, staking in BNB or other coins on Binance Launchpool can bring a higher annual percentage yield. Until January 24th, you can acquire free alt tokens by staking your BNB or FDUSD stablecoin. Staking doesn't mean giving away your coins. Once the staking period is over, your coins will be returned to your wallet and your free tokens will be accompanying your tokens as well. In this video, we will discuss Binance's 45th Launchpool project, AltLayer, and how you can participate in the latest Launchpool. Hi guys, my name is Olivin Kirote and welcome to ONR. Between January 19th and January 25th, the farming period, you can earn free AltLayer tokens by staking your BNB or FDUSD coins. Now, AltLayer is an open and decentralized protocol for rollups used to accelerate the scaling of Web3. What is a rollup? A rollup is a way of processing transactions on a blockchain more efficiently. It bundles many transactions together in a single transaction, which reduces the amount of work that the blockchain has to do. There are two types of rollups, i.e. two ways transactions are processed on the blockchain. One is optimistic rollups. They are often faster, cheaper than regular transactions, but they are not as secure. The second one is ZK rollups. They are slower, more expensive, but they are much more secure. AltLayer is a company that came to the market and introduced a new type of rollup called restaked rollups. It is a new type of rollup that combines the best of both worlds. They are fast, cheap, and secure and use a technology called eigenlayers restaking mechanism, which makes rollups more decentralized, secure, interoperable, and efficient. Their technology combines three actively validated services, or basically three services, which include Vital, Mark, and Squad. Vital is the decentralized verification. Think of it like a security guy who has to ensure everything is done right. In crypto terms, ensures security and is fraud-proof. 2. Mark. Mark is fast finality, ensures the transactions are done fast without any problems. And 3. Squad, decentralized sequencing. Just like the name suggests, it involves the community, the squad, to join as sequencers and stakers, basically not relying on one person to oversee the transaction, but the whole squad. Now, I will link AltLayer's documentation in my description box below. To learn more about this project, feel free to check it out. So guys, if you already are conversant with the Binance platform, click more, then click launch button in Launchpool. Stake either your BNB or FDUSD. As I shoot this video, we have 3 days, 10 hours, and 43 minutes left in the farming period. I already staked my BNB earlier. However, you will see your available balance here. For you to see this available balance, ensure that you have BNB in your spot wallet. Click stake, click max, and then click stake. You can also claim your rewards here once you start receiving the tokens. So far, I have 11.5662 alt tokens. Let's now look at alt layers tokenomics. Total token supply is 10 billion alt tokens with an initial circulation supply of 11%, equivalent to 1.1 billion tokens. 5% has been allocated to the Binance Launchpool, equivalent to 500 million alt tokens. The team plans to unlock the remaining 89% of the tokens by January 2028. How is it distributed? The majority of the distribution is allocated as follows. The Treasury has the bigger percentage of 21.5%, followed by the protocol development 20%, investors 18.5%, the team and the ecosystem equal batches of 15%, the Binance Launchpool 5%, and advisors 5%. 60% of the entire allocation is distributed to three main categories: the Treasury, the protocol development, and investors. Now, if you're interested in earning alt tokens on Binance Launchpool, one, you need to have opened a Binance account and ensure that your account is verified. I will link a video that will assist you on how to do that. Two, you need to purchase crypto. I normally purchase USDT and then I swap to BNB or FDUSD. Watch this video how to buy your USDT and convert your USDT either to BNB and FDUSD. Three, you need to now go to your Binance account, click more, click Launchpool, and then participate in the Launchpool between the farming period to acquire free tokens. The alt layer Launchpool will officially close on 25th January 2:59 a.m. Also 24th January 11:59 p.m. UTC. After the pool closes, Binance will list alt layer for trading purposes. You will be able to trade alt layer with USDT, BNB, and FDUSD. It will be open for trading on January 25th 10 a.m. UTC or January 25th 1 p.m. East African time. Will you be participating in the alt layer Launchpool? We have come to the end of this video, and if you found value, guys, I'd like you to smash the like button. If you want to get more information about Binance, Launchpool, be investing in crypto, please subscribe to our channel. And also, I want to invite you to our live webinar training happening on 24th January, 7 to 8 p.m. East African time. In this webinar training, we will be showing you how to use Binance Pay, Binance Earn, and also Binance Launchpools. So I'd like to see you guys there. Fill in the Google form in the description box below. In case you are completely new to this world and you're unsure where to start, I will link 3 playlists that would guide you down in my description. A playlist on how to understand cryptocurrency, everything about Binance, cryptocurrency investing. And because we are headed towards Bitcoin halving, one of the major cryptocurrency events, I'd like to prepare you with this playlist in particular because I want you guys to be good at investing. See you guys in a bit.